What is reward of sacrificing on the day of Eid al-Azha? The companion of Messenger of Allah asked, "Ma hadhihi al-adahi ya Rasulullah?" What are these sacrifices, O Messenger of Allah? Then the Messenger of Allah replied, "Hadhihi sunnatu abikum Ibrahim." This is sunnah of your father Ibrahim alayhi salam. Then they asked, وَمَا لَنَا فِيهَا يَا رَسُولَ اللَّهِ? What is for us in it, O Messenger of Allah? Then the Messenger of Allah, may peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, بِكُلِّ شَعْرَةٍ حَسَنَةٍ, with every hair one good deed. Then they ask, فَالصُّوفِ يَا رَسُولَ اللَّهِ? What about wool, O Messenger of Allah? Then the Messenger of Allah, may Allah bless him and grant him mercy, said, بِكُلِّ شَعْرَةٍ مِّنَ الصُّوفِ حَسَنَةٍ, with every hair of wool one good deed.